are in Smurfville. It takes a lot of Smurfs to make a movie.
This movie's gonna be Smurf-tastic. It's got Space Smurfs, Jungle Smurfs, and a big musical number. Hi, I'm Handy Smurf, the camera operator.
Hello, I'm Smurf Village. And I'm the stars.
I'm Brainy Smurf, the director. That's right. I'm going to be the star of the movie.
Change on the left.
And action!
Hurry! The hotel is going to turn down.
After I catch you, I'll be the star of this movie.
Hey, we're not in this scene.
This time I know I'm dying.
We're rolling.
Unethical divine being. You call this hospitality? Sir, this vicious beastie.
I can't be the star. Then I'll ruin this picture. Look at our guests. They're Smurf Blue. Let's put them in the finale.
Okay, Papa. I just have to take care of a pesky little... Cue the finale.